things that even I don't understand. I tried to fix it, I tried to fight it. My head was twisted, my heart divided, my lies all collided.